children? Very good morning. So, the last class I explained exercise 6.3 some problems. Exercise 6.3, draw a graph of so and so. And today almost all 3 problems I completed. So we'll go for now fourth problem. Fourth problem. Fourth one. Draw the graph of the equation y minus x equal to. Draw the graph of. Draw the graph of the equation y minus x equal to 2. Find from the graph the value of y when x equal to 4. Okay, this question you look into textbook. The question is fourth question. Draw the graph of y minus x equal to. So first what you have to do, you need to write in the form of y is equal to. So y is equal, what is the given graph? Y minus x equal to, you convert in the form of y is equal to. Shift minus x right side, becomes plus x. Right side what is there? Plus 2 is there. Y is equal to x plus 2. Like this, you take positive values 3, negative values 3, like that. You take some values. So this is x, this is y. This is x comma y. Now 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 positive values, 4 negative values, take it and prepare like this. The given pair of given linear equation write in the form of y is equal. It is given that y minus x equal to, y is equal to find out. So y is equal to minus x, shift right side, becomes plus x plus 2. So y equal to x plus 2. Y equal to x plus 2. You take x values. You take independent values for x. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. X is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Substitute in this. X is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. 0 plus 2, 2. Y is 2. When x is equal to 1, 1 plus 2, 3. X is equal to 2, 2 plus 2, 4. X is equal to 3, 3 plus 2, 5. X is equal to 4, 4 plus 2, 6. X is equal to minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. X is equal to minus 2, minus 2 plus 2, 0. X is equal to minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. X is equal to minus 4 plus 2, minus 2, like this. You write all these x0, y2, x1, y3, x2, y4, x3, y5, x4, y6, x minus 1, y1, x minus 2, y0, x minus 3, y minus 1, x minus 4, y minus 2. So these all you plot on the graph. Here what you have to do here, you take the scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter. Y highest values here what? Y highest values are 6. Okay, let it be 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 unit. So in the horizontal plane, the graph sheet, this is x-axis, this is x-axis, and this is y-axis. X-axis, this is y-axis. The meeting point of x and y-axis is origin. So on the x-axis left of the origin, x dash negatives. On the y-axis below the origin, y dash. So x values you mark on this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y values 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay. So on the x-axis, right of the origin, positive values, left of the origin, you know that, negative values. On the y-axis, above the origin, all positive values, 3, 4, 5, 6. On y-axis, below the origin, you take all negative values. like this. After plotting all this, you just keep these points plot on the graph. X is equal to 0, y is equal to, corresponding to 0, y is equal to how much? Like this you mark. X is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, the corresponding value of y is 3. The corresponding to x value is y how much? 3. 1, 3. x1, y3. x1 corresponding to 1, y3, like this. Okay? X is equal to y4. X is equal to corresponding to 2, y4. X is equal to 3, y5. X is equal to 3, y5. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 6. X is equal to 4, y equal to 6. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, y1. X is equal to 1, minus 1, y1. X is equal to minus 2, y0. X is equal to minus 3, y minus 1. X is equal to minus 3, y minus 1. X is equal to minus 4, y minus 2. This direction will come. So join this, we will get the straight line. We will get the straight line. So in your graph it comes with a straight line. Okay? This represents what? This graph represents y minus x equal to 2. When you join all these points, we get the straight line. We get the straight line. Now here some questions he asked here. From the graph, the value of y when x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, y is equal to how much? Like this. So when x is equal to 4, y is equal to how much? 6. Y is equal to 6. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6. In the second question here, find the value of x when y is equal to minus 3. When y equal to minus 3x, y minus 3, y minus 3, y minus 3, y is minus 3, x is equal to how much? Find the value of x when y equal to minus 3. Y equal to minus 3. Here y minus 3 is not there. Y value minus 3. It is substitute. Y is minus 3, minus x is equal to 2 plus 3. X is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5, you can take y minus 3. Y minus 3. This is x is equal to minus 5. Like this. When y equal to minus 3, x equal to how much? You substitute. When y value substitute here. Y value substitute. So y equal to minus 3 is y minus 3 minus 6 is equal to minus x is equal to minus 3 shift right side plus 3 minus x is equal to 2 plus 3 5 x is equal to how much? Minus 5. So when y equal to minus 3 x equal to what will come? Minus 5 will come. X equal to minus 5. So like that you can draw the graph. More than 4 values also you can take. X is equal to 5 positive values, x negative values 5 you take. Substitute you will get the y values. Like this you will get the graph. I hope you clearly understand children. Okay, right. So same model you can do fifth problem also. Fifth one. We go for fifth one. Fifth problem, children. Draw the graph of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to what? Draw graph of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Find the solutions from the graph whose y coordinate is 3, whose x coordinate is minus 3. Okay, let us this bring it to same model, just like fourth problem. Now we have put x is equal to 0, y is equal to, we will get y value, put y is equal to 0. So I take this, you change it in the form of y is equal to form. So given equation is what? 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Y is equal to form, right? 3y is equal to 12 plus 2x, shift right side minus 2x. Y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3. So whatever, when you draw the graph, you need to bring the ax plus by plus c equal 0 in the form of y is equal. Y should be remain left side. So given equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 12. You should convert into y is equal to form. So the left side should be remain only y. How many y's are here? 3 y's are there. 3y is equal plus 12. This plus 2x shift right side becomes minus 2x. So y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3. Now take the values. Take x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You substitute all these values in this. Okay, roughly you can do it. So I am doing directly. I hope you clearly understand how to substitute this. Already I showed in the first problem this all. Okay. Now directly I will do it. So this is x, this is y, x comma y. So I take minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. I take 4, 5 positive values, 5 negative values. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You substitute all these values, x values in this y, you will get the, in this equation you will get the y values. X is equal to 0. 12 minus, I show you here itself I show you. 12 minus 2 into x is equal to how much? 0 by 3. So 12, 2 minus 2 into 0, 0 by 3. 12 by 3 means 4. So when x is equal to 0, y equal to how much got? 4. Like this. So again I erase this. I show you next one. Here x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, substitute in this. Y is equal to what? 12 minus 2 into 1 by 3. 12 minus 2 by 3. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 by 3. 10 by 3. 10 by 3. 10 by 3 means what? You know that 3.3. Approximately you can write as 3.4 like that. X is equal to 2. X is equal to y is equal to 12 minus 2 into 2 by 3. 12, 2 to the 4 by 3. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 by 3. 8 by 3 means 3 to the 6. 2.6. 2.6. So, x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 12 minus 2 into 3 by. Otherwise, do like this. I told you clearly for an easy method. Like this you can do it. Otherwise, very in the first class itself, I gave you easy method. So when the equation is comes in the fractional form, you should get the values in the complete figures. Complete figures means not in the decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Not 3.5, 3.6 like that. Put x is equal to 0 in this. Put x is equal to 0, you will get y value. 2 into 0 plus 3y equal to 12. So 3y equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 by 3. How much? 4. The point is what? X0, y how much? 4. 0, 4. Now put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0. We will get x value is equal to 12. 2x, 3 into 0, 0, 12. 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 4, x is equal to 4 implies x4 by 0. So like that, directly you can write this. This is x, this is y. So when x is 0, y how much? 4. So when y is 0, x is 4. 4, 4. 4, 4, x4, y4, like this. Draw the graph. This is x, this is y, this is x dash, this is y dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you can mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As many as we can mark on the graph. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on. So here what? When x is equal to 0, y 4. When y is equal to 0, x is 4. When x is equal to 0, y 4. When y is 0, y 4. 4, 4. x4, y 4. x4, x4, y 4. This is x4, y4. On x-axis, see x4, y4. Other than zeros you take. When you put x is equal to 0, you get y value. When put y is equal to 0, you get x value. So when x is equal to 0, y value 4. When y is equal to 0, x value 4. In the point what? x1. x4, y4. x4, y4. x4, y4 joining. Using scale, join this. x4, y4 straight line. Straight line. So whatever points lie on this, these all points. These all points on the line. These all solutions only. These are solutions only. These are solutions. These are, to make you understand this, I am joining these all. Dots I am showing. These are points. These are points on the line only. You can extend line. Okay. X minus 1, y 4. X minus 2, y. Here what will come? That is. Okay. Like this will come. Like this. This is the graph. This is what? x0, x4, y0. This is x0, y4. These points we join. Whatever points lie on the line, those are the solutions. Those are solutions for this. Now, whose y coordinate is 3? Y coordinate is 3. You find out. Whose y coordinate is 3? Find the graph. Whose y coordinate is 3? Find the x. Find the solution from the graph. Whose y coordinate is 3? Y coordinate is 3. Y is 3. Y is 3 here already. Just you substitute. Y is 3. If y is equal to 3, what is the equation? Y equal to 3, x find out. 2x plus 3 into 3 is equal to 1. 2x, 3, 3 and 9 is equal to 1. 2x is equal to 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. So, when y is equal to 3, x coordinate is what? 1.5. X coordinate is 1.5. See, here x 1.5, here y coordinate will be 3 here. It shows x is 1.4, x is 1.5. 1.5 is between 1 and 2. 1.5 and x is 1.5 corresponding to 1.5. See here. What x is what? Y is 3. Y is 3 like this you can find out. Whose x coordinate is minus 3. Put x equal to minus 3 here. Put x equal to minus 3. 2 into minus 3. Plus 3y is equal to 1, 3y is equal to 1, minus 6 becomes plus 6, 3y is equal to 18, y is equal to 18 by 3, this is the 18. So y is 6, when x is minus 3, when x is minus 3, when the x coordinate is minus 3, when x equal to minus 3, substitute in this, we will get y value how much? 6. X is minus 3, y is how much? X is minus 3, y is 6. Here, got it. X is 6. Like this, we can find the solutions. So, what are the solutions? Whatever points lie on the straight line, all those are the solutions of the given straight line. So, children, I hope you clearly understand. So, when you do on the graph, clearly you can understand. You can say whatever they ask you, whichever. If they give x, they ask to find y. If they give y, they ask to find x. So, one of the two variables, if you know any one, you can calculate the other one. Okay. So, I hope you clearly understand. You do the remaining problems. In this, there are 10 problems. I explained almost all 5 problems. Rest of problems you do it. We will see in the next class. Thank you.